Today we're making an Easter basket. Yep, that's why I have the funny Easter glasses on. Hey there everybody and welcome. I'm Tracy from teachmetracy.com. On this channel, you're gonna find videos all about the tips, tools, and tricks to thrive in a homeschool lifestyle. So hopefully this gives you some idea about how you can build an Easter basket with not a lot of candy. Our little guy traditionally doesn't like a lot of candies, but usually I like to include some educational things that go along with them that are also fun and some items that he needs. It really drives me nuts when you go to the store to fill these Easter baskets and all you see is junk toys for Easter. So these are functional, practical, and fun ideas. All of these items came from Walmart and the dollar store, so they're fairly economical. But let's just go through some of these items that we have. We have M&Ms. We have a mixture of bite-sized candies, so they'll fit inside the eggs. We have some Uno cards. Reese's, because that is Eric's favorite candy. There's some M&M's lip balm here. A cute little lamb plushie. And then more Reese's because the boy likes Reese's, and then his other favorite candy is Pez. So he gets a Pez dispenser. And then Easter eggs for filling, a whiteboard that he can put in his backpack and take to church with him because he is a wiggler, and so we keep him busy in church by letting him draw. And then we got some colored Expo markers to go with his whiteboard. These actually have the magnet on the back so they can stick to the whiteboard. We have underpants, right? Everybody's favorite. A new water bottle that's stainless steel. And then a couple of cute and fun shirts, which are always nice. He does like clothes. I know a lot of kids don't like clothes, but Eric happens to love clothes, and he doesn't really have anything in green and blue. So I got him a couple of t-shirts. We also try to include a little bit of money. In this particular case, here's what I had on me. I had $14 and a whole bunch of quarters. So that's what we're going with. The quarters are because he goes to swim class and they have a vending machine outside, and he's always saying, can I get a snack? And I'll say, no, I don't have any quarters with me. So that's what the quarters are for. So now we're going to start building our basket. So this is our bucket, and I chose this one because it looks like a map, and Eric loves maps. But Walmart had a ton of cute little buckets, and they were about $1. So you don't need to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and spend a ton of money on baskets, unless baskets are your thing. Here we go. We're going to build the basket. And I like to use the paper grass rather than the plastic grass because we do have 2 dogs in the house. And in case some of it falls on the floor and they think it's food and try to eat it, paper is a little bit less harmful. We have these fun Easter wraps. It's not necessary for you to do this, but some of the items that we're putting in this basket are too large for the actual basket. And so I'm going to need to encase everything here in order to get it all in there. It does add a fun touch to the Easter basket when you wrap it like this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed making the Easter basket with me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.